there's no way out. I'll let you build your home with me till the clocks run down. When your luck's run out, call me and I will come and fix you. Put your feet on the ground. When there's no way out, call me and I will come and bury you, all safe and sound.
And 2 lines, no problem. Keep it going.
All is gone.